Hey everyone, I'm Steph and welcome to my channel Stylish Junk. First and foremost, I want to thank all my new subscribers. And if you're new here, this channel is all about treasure finds. If that's something you would like also, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get into the video. Alright guys, well this is the unit we paid $250 for, and yeah, it does look like a hot ass mess, but you know what? Let's dig in and let's see what we find. Ooh wee. Ooh. Okay. Wow.
55-inch Samsung.
So far, the TV was a hit, so let's see what else is in here. So as you can see, there's a little bit of everything in here, and I know it looks kind of crazy, but that's the thing about storage auctions. Sometimes it looks crazy, but then the treasure is hidden inside. So we're gonna dig in and see what else we can find in here. What's that? Oh, cast iron? Ooh, can't go wrong with that.
Make America great again.
Ah! Oh my God, let me see. That is so funny. This is badass. I can get anywhere from $100 and up for the jacket. Oh yeah, that's badass. What the hell is this? What's this? Oh, bulbs, light bulbs. Oh yeah, that's gonna work. Flea market, $10 or something?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, vintage. Vintage Very Bradley.
Yeah, okay. What should I?
Nerf gun. Go fishing.
And then I've still got pots in it. Oh yeah. Scrap.
Oh yeah, a lot of scrap. Usually if we find some metal, we usually just put it to the side to take to the metal recycling yard. But if we end up finding some nice pots and pans, we just take it to the flea market.
If not, it's all aluminum.
Okay.
All for the top.
I think the TV might be the most worthy thing in here. Few little knickknacks. Yeah, the calculator. Yeah. Oh yeah, for sure. The fish tank was actually in good shape, and we're gonna sell that locally. Cage. Ooh, nice pet cage there. Some wooden tables there. So we found this woven wicker storage basket, and I love baskets. Anytime I see them, I just want to save them and put stuff in it. But this one unfortunately had holes in it. We found a Bissell Power Force vacuum, which would do good at the flea market. So what I do with some of the dresses we don't keep, if the knob handles are cute, what I do is I take out my pink electric screwdriver and I just screw them out and I save them because people do buy them, or I just use them to repurpose another piece of furniture. So we found this in the same storage auction unit, and this is a vintage original black and yellow kit car pedal race car, which it says is made in Germany, and I can get anywhere from $100 and up for this. We also found this workbox toolbox that was also in the storage unit, and we can get anywhere from $50 and up for it, just to get rid of it fast. So we also found this mid-century wooden dresser, which could go anywhere from 100 all the way up to the thousands. But around here, we try to sell things quick and fast, and usually we like to sell these to resellers that like to deal with these kind of furniture and get it off our hands quick. We also found this vintage 3-panel iron metal screen room divider, which could go up to $100 or more. So this was actually my favorite find from the unit. This is a vintage 1994 Tabasco Red Hot Sauce graphic t-shirt, and it recently sold on eBay for $80. So I found this wall decor that says, "Never let anyone dull your sparkle," and it made me want to make a quick public service announcement. To anyone that feels like they need to dim their light because someone told them to or whatever the reason, well, I don't give a damn who it was or the reason. Just shine bright like a diamond, like Rihanna, and keep being you. Okay, back to the regular schedule. This is the second unit we won for $120, so we're going to do a little bit of digging and see what we find. Yep. Let's go do it right now. We found a few leather jackets, and they were all still in great shape. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, this
Let me see.
yeah, about $150 right there.
Ooh. We also found this white Beats by Dre headphones, which were still in great shape. We also found a bunch of comic books, a variety of them, most of them being Warlock comics, but we're going to do some more research on each one of them. We also found some movie posters. We found Star Wars and Guardians of the Galaxy, which you could probably get like around $20 for this particular size. Yep. We went studio.
Guitar thingy. It's something.
Okay. So we got a Sony stereo and a Marshall guitar amplifier.
Here's
I just love finding candles, and especially this one, which is sandalwood, so I know it's gonna smell so good. So as you can see here, we are almost done with the clean out. We do have a few furniture pieces we gotta load up, a few other things here and there, but after that, we are done and we will be out on our way. All right, everyone, well, that's it for the video. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching. Bye.